Good morning, dear children. Let's start today chapter 20 in SST. The name of the chapter is Our Government. So, topics we will discuss first levels of the government in our country. How many levels? There are two levels in our country, central government and state government. Now, second topic is Judiciary of India, Nyayapalika. So, we will read these topics in our book. Okay. Now come on children, chapter number 20, open your book, our government. So we will read the two levels of the government in our country, central government and state government and judiciary of India. Now come on, first paragraph. India became independent on 15 August 1947 and its constitution was adopted on 26 January 1950. Constitution means Samvidhan. So according to the Constitution of India, India is a union of states. It is a vast country with 28 states and 9 union territories. So in our India, how many states? 28. So in our India, there are 28 states and 9 union territory, and there are two levels of government. First is central government and second is state level. Okay. So now next topic is the central government. Now come on, the central government. The central government of the union government or the union government consists of the president, vice president, minister in this central government and headed by the prime minister. Okay, head of this government is prime minister. Held all situation held by prime minister. The body that makes laws is called the parliament, and it has two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Now children, you can see Parliament House. There are two houses of Parliament. संसद भवन के two houses हैं, लोक सभा and राज्य सभा. Now come on children. Topic Lok Sabha or the lower house. The Lok Sabha consists of 545 members. There are 545 members in Lok Sabha, out of which 543 members are elected directly by the people. So people elected them 543 members, and 2 members may be nominated by the president from the Anglo-Indian community if it is not educatedly represented in the Lok Sabha. So citizens who are 18 years and above can vote and elect their representatives. Now come on, next topic is Rajya Sabha or the upper house. The Rajya Sabha has 245 seats. Members of the Rajya Sabhas are elected for 6 years. 12 members are nominated by the president in Rajya Sabha. Rest of them are elected by the members of legislative assemblies, Vidhan Sabha. The members of the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha are called members of the parliament, means MP. Okay. The members of parliament and the state legislative assemblies elect the president of India. They elect both members of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha elect the president of India. Elect करते हैं president of India को. The president is the head of the state. So the prime minister is the leader of the political party which has majority in the Lok Sabha. He is the most powerful and the real head of the government. Now come on children, next topic is state government. Every state has its own government. At the state level also, the elected representatives of the people make laws and run the government. The elected members become the members of the state legislative assembly. They are called the members of the legislative assembly, MLA. Okay, they are called MLA, member of the legislative assembly, MLA. So they are elected for a 5 years term. The government, who is the highest authority in the state, is appointed by the president. So governor choose the leader of the majority party. Majority party means which party which got maximum votes, maximum seats, okay, in the legislative assembly. As a chief minister, the chief minister selects his council of ministers. Now next topic is judiciary. Now come on children, come on topic judiciary. There are district courts in the districts to solve the disputes between the people. The High Court is the highest court in a state. High Court is the highest court in a state. The Supreme Court in New Delhi is the highest court in the country. Its decisions are final. The final decision made by Supreme Court. The Chief Justice is the head of the Supreme Court. He is appointed by the President. So children, read this chapter again and do exercise. Have a good day.